Today we're diving into the luxurious features of the YAGATAP Freestanding Bathtub Faucet, a floor-mount tub filler in a stunning brushed gold finish. Crafted from solid brass with thickened connectors, this faucet is designed to resist corrosion and maintain its elegant European and American style, even in the humid environment of your bathroom. The high-flow design includes a 360-degree swivel spout and a handheld shower with a 59-inch hose, allowing you to easily switch between the tub spout and hand shower with a convenient diverter knob. With a maximum flow rate of 6 gallons per minute for the tub spout and 2.5 gallons per minute for the hand shower, this faucet ensures both efficiency and performance, thanks to its Settle ceramic cartridge and neopril aerator. Installation is a breeze with the included 59-inch shower hose, hot and cold water lines, and all necessary hardware, including a bracket and bolts. The overall height of the faucet is 46 inches, with a spout height of 41.73 inches and a spout reach of 7.08 inches, making it a perfect fit for your freestanding bathtub. And remember, if you encounter any issues, YAGATAP offers a responsive customer service experience, ensuring you receive new accessories or products within 7 days. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.